Welcome to the Zotero video series. This series will cover how to use Zotero version 7. In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize citations into collections, or folders, in Zotero. You can use folders, or what are known as collections in Zotero, to organize your citations. To create a new folder, all you have to do is click the little folder icon in the upper left-hand corner of Zotero, and give your folder a name. We'll call ours Example, and then click Create Collection. And that will create a new folder under your My Library heading. To get citations into that folder, all you have to do is click and drag them over into that folder, and that will make the citation accessible via either My Library or that folder that you had just placed it in. If you would like to select multiple citations at once, all you have to do is click a citation, hold down the Control key on your keyboard or Command on Mac, and click to select those citations. You can then drag them over into that folder, just like we did before. If you would like to put all the citations in your library into a folder, all you have to do is click a citation and hit Control A or Command A in Mac, and drag those over into that folder as well. If you happen to accidentally add a citation twice to the same folder, Zotero should detect the duplicate and won't add it a second time. If you ever want to rename a folder, you can simply right-click it and click Rename Collection. If you would like to delete the folder, you can click this Delete Collection option, or if you would like to delete the folder and the citations contained in that folder, you can click to delete collection and items. Thanks for watching. For additional information or support, visit the Eveling Library website at https://eveling.library.wisc.edu and click the Help button in the upper right-hand corner of the page for assistance.